Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to give you the demo of this application I-beam door frame. You can use this application to create NetBrace, sliding door columns with girts and portal frame. To use this application, select the component and pick 2 points. Let's see what options are available inside this component. Just double click to open the properties. If you want to create a top member, change this option to yes and modify, and you can change the height and width. For example, in the interest of the time, I have already saved some settings here. When I select sliding door and load, so you can see the sliding door option, and let me remove this top beam, and then the door frame, the height is 2400 and 350 width. And you can see the different settings. In case you have the top beam at the same level of the column, select this option and click modify. You can enter the number of middle beams, and you can also type unequal distance here. Let me just go to the parts. This is where you can change the part profiles, and you can control the base plate thickness and width, and this is for the stiffener. You have 3 different options here for the base plate. One you can select with the stiffener, or the another one, it could be a single plate. And the third option, it could be a connection. So when you choose this option, you can just click to open this component catalog and type the connection number. And here you can type the connection attribute. For example, if I go to 1004, let me type this df_vp. And then modify. So now you can see the connection. Let me change this one back to another settings. So if I go to the parameters, this is where you can control the stiffener position either from the middle or from the right or left. Suppose if it is in the middle, let me just make it 0, and it will automatically move the stiffener to the middle of the member. And this is for the mouse opening, so you can select none option to remove the mouse hole. And this is for the placement of the middle beam. Either you can place it in the middle or right and left, and this is for the offset distance. And if you want to use a different column rotation, here the options are. This will be useful when you use channel. For example, let me just go to the sliding door and load it and modify this. And you can see these two are channels and the orientations are different. And this is for connecting the middle beam with the column. So I'm using this connection and 144, and this is the connection attribute. Let me just go to the top girder bolts. So this is where you can control the top beam. Let me change this one back to one of these settings, and then you can control the distance between the bolts and offset from the middle. So let me go to the base plate. If you're using any one of these 2 options, then you can control the base plate bolt distances here. And finally, if I go to the weld option, just look at this numbers. Accordingly, you can control the weld details. As you can see how easy it is to create the frame with this application just by picking 2 points. If you have any question about this application, feel free to get in touch with me, and thank you for watching this video.